welcome to this very special show on Indian hockey. As we look back at the year 2021, it has to be said that it was a year of resurgence of Indian hockey. Anybody who is interested in the history of hockey will know that in 1928 India won its first gold. 13 out of 29 goals were scored by Dhyan Chand. Fantastic tournament. Not a single defeat at Olympic stage. Twice before, field hockey was there at Olympic level, 1904 and 1920, both times won by Great Britain. Great Britain actually withdrew from the 1928 competition fearing India. So imagine a colony was about to beat a mother country, pushing the mother country to withdraw. अगर ये हो सकता है, 1932 में भी हमने बहुत इजी टूर्नामेंट जीता, अमेरिका को 24-1 गोल से हराकर, आज भी वही रिकॉर्ड है वर्ल्ड में। अगर आप हॉकी इतिहास देखें तो वो 24-1 का जो रिजल्ट इंडिया ने अचीव किया था इन 1932, वो आज भी रिकॉर्ड है। 1936 ध्यानचंद कैप्टन, हम लोग 8-1 से जर्मनी को बर्लिन में हरा के तीसरा गोल्ड मेडल, कंसेक्यूटिव थर्ड गोल्ड मेडल हमने जीता। उसके बाद 48, 52, 56 अगेन इंडिया वन गोल्ड। 60 में हम लोग 1960 में पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ हार गए। 64 में चरणजीत सिंह इन टोक्यो वन इट बैक। उसके बाद इंडियन हॉकी एक्सेप्ट 1980 इन मॉस्को अंडर वासुदेवन भास्करन, देयर हैज बीन अ कंसिस्टेंट डिक्लाइन। सो जब टीम टोक्यो गया, एंड मैं मेंस हॉकी के बारे में जिक्र कर रहा हूं पहले, जब टीम टोक्यो गया देयर वाज अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशन, देयर वाज अ बिल्ड अप, क्योंकि लास्ट 2 साल अगर हम देखें इंडियन हॉकी हैज डन वेल। हमने ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हराया है, हमने बेल्जियम को हराया है, हमने डच टीम को हराया है, जर्मनी को हराया है। सो ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एक एक्सपेक्टेशन बन गया था कि ये टीम कर सकता है। और अगर टोक्यो देखें, टोक्यो में वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के खिलाफ मल्टीपल गोल से हारने के बाद ऑल ऑफ अ सडन देयर वाज अ डिप कि ये टीम कैसे जीतेगा। ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया के खिलाफ इतना गोल से हम हार गए और इंडिया वाज नॉट लुकिंग द पार्ट एट ऑल, अभी क्या होगा, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा। So all of this was a major problem, and then the turnaround happened. The turnaround was sensational. और मैं आपको वो एक मैच के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज मैं पूरा टूर्नामेंट टोक्यो में कवर किया। वो एक मैच हम लोग सब ग्राउंड में थे, 100 people maximum, 100 people in that hockey stadium in Tokyo. We went in the morning, and I remember it was around 10:30 in the morning Japan time, very early morning in India, around 7 a.m. when the match started. Incredible match. You know what? And when that match started, and Germany, let's start it this way, early goal, and then 3-1 Germany. जब 3-1 हो गया जर्मनी के फेवर में, मैं आपसे कह सकता हूं गैलरी में हम लोग एक भी इंडियन सपोर्टर्स नहीं थे, मीडिया, जो सोच रहे थे कि अभी कमबैक हो सकता है, यहां से मैच घूम सकता है। और मुझे अभी भी याद है रुपिंदर पाल सिंह ने ऐसे बुलाया, मनप्रीत, रुपिंदर पाल, हरमनप्रीत सब इकट्ठे हुए, कोच ऑब्वियसली एक साथ आ गए, एक बात हुआ, एंड उसके बाद इफ यू सी दोज 8 minutes of magic and India takes the lead. अगर वो हो सकता है, and that is when Indian hockey was reborn. And now let me take you to the last minute. All of a sudden, अगर हम वो मैच का अंतिम लास्ट 1 मिनट देखें तो क्लॉक बंद हो गया था। Around 15-20 seconds the timer had stopped. I was actually shouting कि टाइमर बंद हो गया है, टाइमर बंद हो गया है, etc. And in the dying seconds, with 6 seconds left, Germany got a penalty corner. Frankly, that penalty corner should have not been awarded because match time was over. Because the clock stopped 20 seconds early, they got the penalty corner. I thought PR Srijesh saved perhaps the goal of his life. That 6 seconds of torment that PR Srijesh and his team went through. And after that, the visual of PR Srijesh sitting on top of the goalpost, looking down as if, that was his fiefdom. Manpreet and the rest of the team going mad will forever be etched in my memory as one of the best memories of Indian hockey. Now to the women. Who would have thought, ladies and gentlemen, who would have thought that in the quarterfinals of the Olympic Games, the original Chakte girls, Rani Rampal, Savita Punia, Vandana Kataria, and that entire team, They would take on Australia, the might of Australia, and beat them 1-0. Look, they started the tournament badly, and when they lost to Great Britain by multiple goals, Sean Marina, the coach, actually told the girls this is not what he expects from the girls. And thereafter came the turnaround, that match against Ireland towards the very end. Then that quarter-final against Australia. If any of you have seen Chak De India, you know what I'm talking about. End of the match, those delirious scenes of celebration that we witnessed on the fields of Tokyo, none of us who were there will ever forget as far as the Indian girls are concerned. They may have lost in that bronze medal playoff. The entire men's team was there, and after a tremendous valiant fight, the girls lost. And when they were coming out, it was literally this: the girls were coming and we were all standing, the men's team and the media, giving Rani and her team a guard of honor. And I remember speaking to Rani and I said, you may have lost the match, but you won 1 billion hearts. And then trust me, all of us adults, each one of us cried. But those were tears of pride, tears of joy, because hockey once again had made a comeback. So 2021, ladies and gentlemen, is the year of comeback for Indian hockey. Fingers crossed it continues in 2022.